A new Trump administration policy is about to kick in, requiring all people living in the country illegally to register with the federal government. A lawsuit sought to stop the rule, but today a federal judge sided with the White House. ABC 7 News reporter Lauren Martinez explains the move that could impact immigrant families.
In just hours, all non-citizens who are in the United States will be required to register with the government. On Thursday, a federal judge allowed the Trump administration to move forward with enforcement of an already existing law. Anyone in the country illegally must register.
I think that many people are going to register.
Bill Hing is the professor of law and migration studies at USF. Registration will be mandatory for anyone 14 years old and older. They will have to provide fingerprints and addresses. The registration policy dates back more than 80 years. The federal government arguing it just wants to enforce a law long on the books. But opponents say the registration requirement hasn't been universal since it was first introduced. If someone who is undocumented does not register, it's considered a federal crime, a misdemeanor.
Will anybody ever get prosecuted for a misdemeanor is the real question. And I don't think so. I think that somebody who is caught, who is undocumented, they're going to be deported because they're undocumented. I don't actually think the law is ever going to be enforced. I think that it's a mechanism to get undocumented people to expose themselves.
Here in Santa Clara County, approximately 140,000 people who are undocumented call this area home. The county says over 160,000 people are in mixed status households, which means some family members are citizens and others are undocumented.
So we are seeing another attempt to terrify and terrorize the immigrant communities that have made our nation what it is.
Hui Tran is the executive director of Siren. It's a community-based organization based in the Bay Area and Central Valley.
For now, I think the best thing for anyone and everyone in our community to do is not to register until they've had a chance to talk to their attorney or to get in touch with a legal service organization focused on immigration.
The registration process also applies to Canadians who have been in the U.S. for more than 30 days. In the South Bay, Lauren Martinez, ABC 7 News.